As many of you can tell, this is the Swagger interface of mNode, which comes with NetApp HCI or SolidFire clusters. If you want to use its API, you can click on the JSON link to see how to use it, or you can use it from the Swagger UI by authenticating yourself using storage cluster admin and password and mNode-client name. The password for the client is not important. With this, you get a bearer token and you're authorized to use the API. If you want to get the logs, you can provide either a number of lines, so last X lines, or a cutoff date from which you want the logs. If you do not provide either of these, you'll get everything, which is not what you want if you want to fetch logs periodically, even for certain problems. Another thing that we need is a service name, which is not really a service name, but a combination of mNode hostname followed by the underscore followed by service name. So this is how I specify for my environment. I do not want container logs from stop containers, so I select false and I run execute. Within seconds, I get the log and then I can save it to a file, maybe send to support and do other things with it. Now there is a better way, which is to use the API. In my case, I have a Python script that I can use to get a number of logs within only 1 second. Admittedly, these are small logs, but like in the browser, they take the same time to actually fetch from the backend storage, and you can see they look the same. I can send them to ELK, I can upload them to warm storage, and I can do this periodically without any effort. As opposed to doing this from the Swagger UI, where I could get a bunch of logs at once, but they would be all in one big file.